Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever opened up Mailchimp and felt a little confused by all the options for organizing your contacts, tags, groups, segments, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to break down exactly what each of these means, show you where to find them inside Mailchimp, and help you pick the right tool to organize and target your email list. By the end, you'll feel confident about using tags, groups, and segments in your email marketing so you can send smarter, more personalized campaigns. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Mailchimp account and head straight to your Audience tab. This is the command center for all your contacts. Think of it like the main address book where everyone lives. Here you'll instantly see your list of emails, and just a bit below or around that area are the different ways Mailchimp lets you organize and filter these contacts: tags, groups, segments, and a few other options. Now, I know it can feel a bit overwhelming at first glance, but don't worry, we're going to focus on just 3 of these today: tags, groups, and segments. Each one plays a unique role, and understanding their differences will make your life a whole lot easier. Let's start with tags. Imagine tags as little sticky notes you can attach to any contact. They're super flexible, you get to choose exactly what they say. For example, you might tag a contact as VIP customer, met at conference, or 2024 webinar attendee. This is a simple manual way of labeling your contacts based on anything you want to remember or use later. The beauty of tags is that you can add as many as you need to as many contacts as you want at any time. So if you ever need to send a special prompt just to people you met at an event, it's as easy as filtering by the Met at Conference tag. Think of tags as freeform labels, like putting color-coded stickers on folders. Next, let's talk about groups. Groups in Mailchimp are a bit more structured. They're categories that you set up to help organize your audience into collections based on shared interests or characteristics. For example, you might have a group called Product Interests with options like coffee, tea, and equipment. When someone subscribes, they can pick which group they belong to, or you can assign them to groups. Groups are great for things like allowing newsletter subscribers to choose what kind of content they're interested in. It's like handing out a sign-up form that says, check all the boxes that apply. So if one person is into both tea and equipment, no problem, they can fit into multiple group categories at once. Finally, we have segments. Segments are a bit more advanced. They're dynamic filters you can create based on rules and conditions. For example, you could create a segment for people tagged VIP who also joined in the last 30 days, or folks who have purchased in the last month and live in the US. Segments are perfect for targeting specific behaviors or combinations, and unlike tags or groups, segments automatically update as your contacts' data changes. It's like setting up a smart playlist in your music app. Whenever someone matches your criteria, they get added to the segment automatically. So to sum up, tags are totally flexible labels you add manually, groups are organized categories that contacts can join, and segments are smart, rule-based filters that keep themselves up to date. Once you feel comfortable with these, you'll be able to slice and dice your audience in all sorts of powerful ways, making sure your emails reach exactly the right people every time. If this video helped clear things up, give it a like and let me know in the comments if you have any quick questions about Mailchimp tags, groups, or segments. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.